Good morning, friend. Woke up early today. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm heading to the office earlier. Supposedly I was supposed to park the car now at the Box Hill Central, but sorry, I need to put my stuff in. Yeah, I'm early now. So yeah, I don't know. Let's try this new habit. Let's go. My hair looks like shit. Anyway. So yeah, I'm really surprised with myself because the thing is I want to come to work early because I love to film. I like to do some B-roll filming and other stuff. But what happened was I got lazy to bring my camera. So I didn't bring my camera, I just bring this RX 100 here, this tiny little nice camera here, and then I'm heading to the station. I'm gonna be editing at the coffee shop later while waiting for time to go to work. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the day. The parking lot. This time of the day, people are coming to the parking lot. Like everybody's chasing this parking lot right now, and the spaces are running out because people are coming in for work. So usually around 6:30, 6:45, these parking lots are full. Really early for the train right now. I'm heading to the station. It's quite a walk from the parking lot that I was in because yeah, everything's full. Everything's full. I gotta hold this camera properly because it's really shaking while I walk. But yeah. Oh, nice seats. I like the seats. I don't know if you see it, but yeah, I like the seats. Oh, it says for 120p. That's why it's really crappy. It should be better now. 24p. Yeah. So apparently there's a giant pig there. Yep. Giant pig. Early at the office, food and cappuccino. Time to go. Okay. Just got new shoes unboxed. Yeah, Nike F3X. Good. Let me test it now. Got this one. Got these. It's like a saramonic XLR recorder. Just opening it with one hand. It's quite challenging. So yeah, it's for the microphone. Fairly good weather today, but yeah, I'm heading to Docklands right now on the skateboard. I'm just gonna pick up some stuff from Katrina. It's kind of windy. Sorry about the audio. Anyway, look at the trains. Yeah, those are the trains. Yeah, it's a bit hot on my face. So I'm heading that way. That's Docklands. That is the Melbourne wheel, and I've heard a lot of bloopers about that wheel. it stops, and yeah, it's like no use. It was stupidly planned, is what they said. I don't know. It's moving a bit. No, it's just rocking. Realize somebody's in there. Yep, somebody's in there. So it turns so slow. You're just gonna be under the heat of the sun for a long time. It's windy. Gotta go. I was getting ready to vlog, and this garbage truck just parked beside me. Of all the places, it was parked beside me. Kinda windy here though. So of all the places that this garbage truck is gonna park, just park beside me. Anyway, I'm gonna review the saramonic mic recorder. Yeah, it's saramonic XLR recorder. Forgot the name. So yeah, this video is gonna be quick. This is kind of funny because I'm out here outdoors, and I'm bringing a mic with me. It should have a wind muff because it's so windy out here. But I'm gonna try without a wind muff, and the wind is behind me. It's annoying. So yeah, I'm here to review this saramonic XLR recorder. It's called the vrm1. I've been trying to research about this online. I've been looking into this for a while, but I can't memorize the name. I all know it's saramonic, but it could be saramonic SR-VRM. So like SR-VRM1. SR. Yes, SR-VRM. Fuck. SR-VRM1. So first things first, this is an XLR recorder, which what do you call this? Yeah, this is an XLR recorder. You just plug the XLR here. You power it with 2 AA batteries. You can see a lot of about this on YouTube if you want to know more about the specs. But I'm no sound engineer, and I don't know the specs. But what I know is that it has a headphone jack. It has 2 batteries to power it, and yeah, it's plugged for the XLR microphone. So yeah. So one of the things out of the bat is that I know that this is gonna supply 48 volts of phantom power if your microphone needs power, just like the Rode NTG2. So I'm using this Rode NTG2, and I use it first without the battery. But what I've discovered is that if you're gonna use the phantom power from this, it's really windy, from the phantom power of this recorder, the thing is, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna have a little hissing sound. So I think this NTG2 needs a lot of power to power it. So the phantom power of 48 volts is not good. So I've read online and researched more about it. So I just learned that you need to put in the battery inside the microphone. So if you need to put the AA battery so that it will have its own power, I turn off the phantom power from the recorder. Now it's good, no hisses. So yeah, just need to know that if you're going to use the NTG2, you're going to need to put on its internal battery, not use the phantom power from the recorder. But so far, this is how the recorder sounds. I'm trying it here at a very challenging situation because I never thought it's going to be windy here in Docklands. I'm near the boats and everything, but yeah, it's kind of windy now, and I don't have the wind muff. I just have this foamy thing. Anyway, this is how it sounds, and first things first, I don't know, I think it's good, it's fine, but I prefer maybe the wind's coming up. I prefer maybe that to test it more, but first impressions is that I was disappointed that if you're going to use the NTG2, you're going to need to put on batteries, because the thing is, it's going to have a lot of hiss, and I'm only after this because it doesn't have hiss, and I'm really addicted to audio as of the moment. But let's see how this goes. Let's see. Okay. Anyway, that's it. See ya. Bye. Earlier, the footage was crappy, and the audio was crappy, so I'm just going home. I'm just going to refilm it. So yeah, let's go home. It's too dark. There isn't running out of batteries right now, so need to charge it. It's really windy. Officially, it's now called the Marvel Stadium. This is the Etihad Station. Oh, stadium. Okay, trying to take a break now. Just want to check the view out there, and I'm in front of the Marvel Stadium. Used to be Etihad Stadium, but now it's Marvel Stadium. And there you go. So yeah, just checking out the view for a while before I go to the train station. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go to the train station. Hey guys, I'm finally home right now, and yeah, I'm testing out this Saramonic SR vrm1, this XLR recorder, which is, I'm gonna show it again. Oh, it's focusing on my face. Let's do it again. Okay, that's the SR vrm1. I always forget the name. Yeah, that's from Saramonic, and I'm currently recording it on this recorder right now. This is an XLR recorder, and underneath it, which is there, there's a battery compartment here. It's used to because it uses power to record, and it can give out phantom power also. So there's a battery compartment underneath there. Also, there's a headphone jack. That's why I'm putting on headphones, because I'm monitoring my audio right now. So I'm using a Rode NTG2. Unfortunately, I found out in the forums that if you're going to be using the NTG2, which I shouldn't be holding in my hand, I should be using a shock mount or something, but I'll hold it here. If you're using an NTG2, it's going to need more power. So if you're going to use the phantom power on this recorder here, it's going to have a lot of hiss. I was expecting we're not going to have any hiss, because of course it's just a high-end NTG mark, and I have an XLR recorder. I was expecting it to be awesome, but I realized that you need to put batteries on the NTG mic and not use the phantom power, so you're not going to hear any hiss. The hiss is like annoying. You can't, if you try to edit it on post, there's no point. There's no point of using this one if there's a lot of hiss, because you try to get an XLR mic with an XLR recorder to get the good audio, but if it's gonna have a hiss, then a normal microphone would do it if it doesn't have a hiss. Like, why use this when it has issues? But yeah, I found out that you're gonna use the battery on the microphone, and if you're gonna use it, you won't have any problems. That's it. So I'm gonna still use this and see how it goes. But yeah, by the way, the audio right now is from this microphone. No, from this microphone, this recorder, from the setup. I'm getting stressed now because I was trying to film earlier and it was a really crappy recording. But right now I'm using my A7 III. Earlier I was using the RX100 and I was trying it out. And please disregard the background, because I didn't have time to change it or clean everything, because I just got home and I just want to get this up on the YouTube channel. Didn't prepare much. I just want to get it up. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the time, night, day, wherever you are, and yeah, have fun. I look like a reporter with a big microphone, like, but yeah, I just want to get the good audio. I'm gonna put it on a boom mic here and do the recording from there. Anyway, enough talking now. See ya. Bye.